Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. This is Kathy. I'm back with another reveal video today and I'll be sharing the new Forest Stream stamp. It is a red rubber cling mounted stamp and it measures about 4 inches by 5 inches. I'm going to stamp it out really quick for you so you can see just how much detail there is in this image. This stamp is really versatile. It can be used for masculine cards. There are a number of techniques that you can do when using this stamp. I have a couple of samples to share with you. And this first one, I stamped it in a gray ink and then I used my Copics to color it. I'm trying to show you the glitter. I did use my Wink Estella on the water just so that there would look like there was that reflection. I did trim it down, then I matted it and put it on a top folding craft colored note card. For my second sample, I stamped it with gray ink and then I used the new Connected Hearts frames die. And for my third sample, I did a faux postage technique for that card. And I have a video that I'll post a little bit later today sharing how I created these two cards here. For more information about these products, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.